So yeah, you guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Tech and Time Lapse. It's your boy Say Journey, and today we'll be doing something very, very interesting, something I actually do really love. I'll be unboxing a camera that I love so much. Actually, not unboxing, I'll be reviewing it, but I just wanted to show the part I actually got. So I got it from Adorama, yeah. Their name is all over the box, yeah. Marketing. See you guys.
Well packaged just the way I expected. And its own little bubble. And now it's open. Wrong place. Okay, I think it's actually triple sealed, which I would expect for a camera of this price. You really want to make sure it's super hot, so you don't get all this moving geometry and like movements and whatnot. So here we go.
This is the camera body. So yeah, as we were saying.
Nice, so let's just cut this board and set it free. Oops. And the powerhouse or the power earth is about to be set free. And there we go. In all its glory and might, Sony NEX FS700U for you people. 4K video recorded at its best. About to switch up the game, people. Like, not about, so the game is already switched up actually. And I'll be showing you guys videos from the review once we start like making the reviews and whatnot. Or not actually reviews, but from like footages we actually do shoot with this stuff, so that'll come into the review. Probably the review. But I'm so excited, and see you guys on the rest of the video when it's ready. Ciao!
Ta-da! So many controls, so many buttons. I'm used to cameras having one or two buttons. Of course, I've always been using cheap ass cameras, but this guy literally looks like a plain cockpit right now. Just on the left there's like 6 buttons. On this left I'm looking like almost 22 buttons. On the top another like 20 buttons. It's just insane. Like something for something for something. Too many controls. But yeah, that's what you expect when you got a power us like this. So see you guys soon. Ciao.